Elite Chopper Company. Let's take one down. Just a little bit at a time. Just kill one thing. Whatever shoots you, kill it. In that order. Alright, here we go. This guy usually comes after you right away. Let's get rid of him. Gone. Let's get rid of this guy. Shoot and get out. Alright. Let's go in and kill something else. As long as you're not in a hurry, it's really pretty easy. Controllers are great in the beginning. Get rid of the guys that will kill you air. Air will clear most of the space. I mean, you can literally do it with air. Oh yeah, I forgot about that guy. Get rid of that guy. Like I said, just look around for what shoots you and kill it. We need to get rid of this guy. He'll go after us. Wait till he starts to fall, then we move. He's going to go where you were, so wait till he starts to fall. We got to watch out for this tank, because this tank will come after us. There we go. Alright. I got to get rid of a tank. Now we got another tank here we got to get rid of. There we go. Got rid of him. Just take your time, slowly clear it out. Uh-oh. These guys move pretty fast. We were able to do it. We got out while the getting was good. Take out this excavator. Worst that happens is if the other one moves, you can always just stop, reset, start over. But a lot of times if you just simply retreat, you're good to go. All right, what do we want to take out next? Let's take out this guy. Got to watch out for the technical over here. He'll sometimes come after you. This technical will sometimes come after you. Okay, good. All right, time to get this technical. All right, got rid of him. Now we've got to, okay, he's going to be a problem because he's easy with the Omega because there's something right beside him you can kill, and that'll kill him. You go after him now, and he may kill us. You know what? There's only one way to find out. Let's try it. Worst he can do is shoot us. Yeah, I thought so. He shot us. That's all right. That's probably about 2 minutes repair. That's about it. Okay, don't forget, kill these guys first. It's been so long since I did this, I don't remember how I did it, but kill whatever comes after you. Once you get rid of most of these guys, we'll go through with our chopper, and he'll just clear the base right out. All right, now let's get rid of a few of these anti-air. You got to watch those tanks. When those tanks start coming, you're in trouble. Well, so far, they're not responding. I think we just got one there. Here they come. Here they come. Here they come. All right, that's good enough for them. All right, get those guys out of here. How much time we got? Yeah, we got a good amount of time. All right, let's take out a few things here. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Yeah, he's got to go. That will give me trouble with my chopper, so let's just take him out with controllers. The Wonder Drug controllers. All right, that's it. Now let's send in you just want to get close enough that they'll start attacking on their own. There you go. There you go. Take it out. Take out the flak. There you go. All right, the rest is easy. Take out these guys. Now he's going to be tricky. You got to be careful. You got to get just lined up just right. And the worst that happens is he shoots you, and if he does, it's not that bad. Go get him. Go get him. Got to move up just a little bit more. Right there. You want him. There you go. There you go. That's it. Boom. We just want to engage this guy. Once we engage this guy, all right, deselect him. Now we're going to send in some controllers. And they're going to clear the base for you. As long as they're engaged. We're going to shoot him. If he dies, he dies. But he's probably going to come after us, so as soon as he does, we're going to go over here and let the other guys engage him as well. As soon as he dies, they're all going to die. All right, now we can get rid of the controllers. We don't need them anymore. Now let's just move in and clean it. And I leave a couple of buildings just in case anything happens. I can always help out. He'll clean them out. Come on, clean them out. Clean them out. All right. Now we just a couple of buildings. I got lots of time. And that's it. All right. Go and do